To make chocolate crunchies, first you will need 4 ounces of margarine, 2 tablespoons of syrup and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Melt these in a saucepan. When they've melted, remove from the heat and add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix thoroughly and add to a bowl of 4 cups of cornflakes. This is a great recipe to get the kids involved with and they taste delicious. I will pop a full list of ingredients in the description down below. Mix until all the cornflakes are covered. Once thoroughly mixed, divide into cake cases, cool and serve.